Let's go over using our line tool. In the large tool set, click on the line icon. As we move our mouse over our origin point and axis lines, we can see that SketchUp will want to snap to these points. Let's click away from those. Click once and drag your mouse. And as we drag our mouse, we will see that whenever we are parallel with an axis, the line will turn the color of that axis. Here we see it's green, parallel with our green axis. Here we can see it's blue, and here red. So let's draw a line at 10 feet along our red axis. I'm going to go ahead and drag my mouse and type 10 feet on my keyboard and enter. Now as I drag my mouse, you can see that we are still in the line command. I'm going to drag my mouse along the green axis 20 feet and type enter. Now I'm going to, using inferencing, I'm going to hover my mouse over this endpoint and drag it, and as you can see, it's recognizing it's parallel with that green axis, and it automatically allows me to snap to that point. Now I'm going to drag my mouse again, and I'm going to close this set of lines. As you can see, once we've closed a set of lines, SketchUp will automatically create a surface. Now let's go ahead and draw another surface by starting on our endpoint and going vertical 10 feet. I'm going to drag my mouse again along my green axis, and there we see the inferencing. It's already recognizing this geometry and allowing me to snap to this point. So I'm going to snap there and snap down, and here I'm going to do that again. Go 10 feet up and 10 feet across, and one more time over here. Now if it doesn't recognize a previous geometry, we can simply hover over it for a little bit, don't click anything, and then just drag your mouse, and you see that it recognizes that point. Click once, and there we go again. We enclosed that set of lines and one more here. So here we have created a rectangle in 3D, and let's go ahead and verify our measurements by selecting the measurement tool. So I'm going to click once here, hover over that endpoint, click once, and I'm going to drag my tape measure vertically up. As you can see, it turns blue because it's parallel with that, with the blue axis. So there we see it's 10 feet. Here's 10 feet, and there's 20 feet. So I'm going to escape out of that. And also we can see whenever we type in dimensions, they should appear here, so we can verify what we are typing in, or if we have to correct something that we've typed, we can see that down here. So that's a quick run through of using the line tool.